or third year. We've had a different history with ImageQuest. We're also in the service business, so we're in the manufactured mail business, which might make no sense to you, but everything we do ends up in your mailbox. So one side of our business is direct mail, which is all about businesses looking to kind of engage clients or potential clients to get you to act and do something, buy, vote, be aware. And then the other side of our business is at least pieces of it, something maybe you don't like, which is bills and invoices and notices and things that either by consumer choice or by regulation have to be printed and mailed. So while the world is going green, we like to print stuff. And so that's what we do. I work with a great team over there. John Huddleston is the owner. John and Kent know each other. John and Milton know one another. And I've been there about 18 months. So over the last 2 months, we've been going through some technical transitions with our team. And I can't say enough for the services that this group provides to us. I know I email and pester Stephen and Eric and Milton mainly, but I know they're supported by a great group here, and I just want to say on behalf of myself and the team at DNI, we're sincerely appreciative because you've helped us out in some tough times that are big deals for us. Might be easy work for you, but for a non-techie like me, rearranging our structure a little bit is really helpful at a tactical level and at a strategic level. And being in the service business, I know that generally you don't get phone calls that say how great you're doing. You get phone calls that say what the issues are. We try and keep that front and center with our employees to say there are a lot of clients that we're delivering outstanding service. And so this was just a small token to say this team is doing a great job for us. It's a big deal for us. We're appreciative. And I just wanted to come over and personally say thank you. I was mentioning to Eric, I didn't ask what he was going to be ordering. I just gave him my credit card. So I'm glad that he didn't go out and get some Chateaubriand or something down there. But the final thing I'll say, this is an important deal for us. Might not be as meaningful here, but we're wearing lanyards, and Stephanie's got one. Stephanie's 2 weeks in, so we've got a lot of new faces at DNI, and then some faces that have been around a long time. And on the back of this is what we call the DNI Promise. And I won't recite it to you, but I could. It's all about what we promise to our clients. And part of that promise is that we treat our employees, business partners, and clients with unprecedented care. And we're not in the snazziest of spaces, manufactured mail. It's not something that people, necessarily Google or grow up to want to be in that industry, but it's an important part for businesses. And I've found in my time that what makes us a little bit different is that I do believe we approach our clients with unprecedented care. Why we put business partners in there is we need that unprecedented care to be mutual. We like for it to be mutual with our clients. We strive to create an environment where it's mutual with our employees. And really with business partners, we strive to find business partners that we treat with unprecedented care, but also return that favor. And ImageQuest is one of those organizations. And I don't have to scream really loud to do it. I just say, Stephen or Eric, I think I need some help, and they're always quick to answer, and I know they're supported by a great team here. So thank you for that. And we hope this meal is a gesture from our team to yours of you're doing a great job. So thanks a lot.
Thank you.
So, that's all I got.
Thank you.